Okay, so yo-yos.
Yo-yo.
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 Look at this. This is all made with yo-yos. Isn't that
Not the leaves,
darling?
though.
No, not
Just
the
the
leaves.
yo-yos.
Or the rickrack or the stitching. But look at how cute that is.
That really is pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Love
and
this.
a little button on the top.
Yeah, so there's a yo-yo idea. So it's not just one yo-yo sitting there. Then Julia,
who works here,
made this. Barb should just love this. Am I putting out a glare?
No, that looks really
Are
good.
they able to see it?
But let's, oh,
this
sorry,
way.
just grabbed you. There you go.
Red, white, and blue. She did a flag out of all the yo-yos.
Isn't that pretty?
Isn't that
stunning, says Jennifer.
Unbelievable. So there's two ideas.
I love it too. Betty Jo
Wow.
and Stacy.
Dropped her.
Oh, you know what?
Picture.
You don't have to put that up there if you don't want
that's
to.
true.
You okay?
Okay, and then I had made...
Wear it. You wear it well.
No, I don't wear it. You put that on. Okay,
Sorry.
this, I did it to put on the end of my bed, and then I changed my quilt. Of course, we always change our quilts. Look at how cute this is.
Look, this is not green.
What?
This is not green. Look at the camera.
It's not green on that?
It's brown.
Oh, it's
we
green.
had this before.
Yeah, we have.
These are green leaves, not brown leaves. It's not
Okay,
fall.
so I put leaves on the ends, and then just did like 4 rows, and it went across the end of my bed. And right now, I have it on a dresser. Where am I? There I am. On a dresser. So it's beautiful on the end of a bed. I had a white bedspread at one time, so I put it on there. Now I
that
don't.
was really pretty. I
That
can
was
take
really
this.
pretty. Okay.
I can take this.
Okay, I dropped my thing.
You did.
Did I lose my?
We lost everybody. Yeah, we're not here. Oh, what'd you lose? I'll find
I
it.
lost my
Your needle?
needle again.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, good. Okay,
Needle in a
so
haystack.
have you guys made yo-yos before? Never?
Joyce
I've never
Hawker
made
has
a yo-yo.
never- Neither have I, Joyce, and I have every single one of these.
Of course you do. Okay, the yo-yos that we have today, we only have 4 out of the 5.
Marianne loves it. Marianne,
Yeah.
it'll be still my heart.
Oh, look, that's,
Oh,
what happened?
I don't know.
That's weird. That's weird. We're magical. That's weird.
How did that
That's
happen?
green.
Can you guys?
Green screen.
No,
Green
but-
screen.
Oh.
Is that what it is? I've heard of it. That's
Oh, my
weird.
heck.
Look it, and there's
But
the
why
yellow.
is it showing bricks?
I don't know.
Hi, Larly.
That
Oh,
is
my
so weird.
Oh, my heck.
Okay, maybe I
No,
should.
I want to keep this.
Well, I'm going to demo on this. What'd you
Well,
do with my needle?
Can you demo with something else?
No. So, this yo-yo that we have here with the bricks inside it makes this, no,
This
this
is
one made
amazing.
this yo-yo.
Why is it showing bricks?
And what you need to do is you cut your fabric a little bit larger than your yo-yo. When you order the yo-yo, it'll come with instructions on how to cut out a little bit larger than your yo-yo. So what you're going to do, where's my needle?
You are matching. Okay, tell me quickly, anybody, is this showing bricks for you? Because we're looking at the camera
Yeah.
and all we see are bricks.
It's weird. Inside the
Inside.
yo-yo.
Are these bricks for you guys? We can go rock climbing right now. We can climb the bricks. That is
weird.
amazing.
That's crazy. Okay, so all you're going to do,
It is magic. Maybe, are the bricks outside?
I knew
no,
we were magical.
there's no bricks around us.
No, I don't know where that came from.
That is so
both looking back
weird.
there.
I'm going to go, usually I don't go back and watch these because I'm a little embarrassed.
Yes, it is. It's bricks.
This
Yeah.
time I'm going to go back and watch because I can't believe it.
Yeah, your yo-yo will not show up like a brick. It'll be green. Yeah.
I love that.
It's wild.
That is-
X-ray vision. Can we go through that portal hole?
Go away, go away.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at this.
look at Kris.
Chris, come look at this.
Look at this.
Look.
Look,
Look.
they're showing bricks.
Whoa.
I know, we're magical.
Whoa. How did that happen?
I have no idea.
the green?
Okay,
green
come over
coming
here.
out.
You got green
See?
on. Come up here.
Nope, it's not showing up as bricks. That's weird.
Why
These
are
are
these
rabbit
showing up
whites.
as bricks?
I don't know. That's weird.
We're
Hey,
magic.
I'll see everyone tonight, right?
Right.
Hey,
right.
6
We
o'clock.
talked about it. Yep.
Hey.
Wow. Look at this. I'm going to be doing
Okay,
this all
Barb.
day.
Talk about a squirrel.
Yeah, let's
Uh-huh.
put that squirrel back up.
Really? Okay.
Okay, you're going to show us.
So
You're going to show us something.
Okay. So you take your back of your yo-yo. These are the two pieces that you will get
I
for
see
each
bricks, says
yo-yo.
Pamela.
Okay, good. Is the dress blue or gold? Oh my gosh. No. We froze the screen. No. Okay, Barb. What will be comment sold? Oh, good stuff.
Our favorite things, it's called. Tonight it's our favorite
Good
things.
stuff. I like Harry Potter.
Oh my heck. Let's run into that brick wall and see if we run through it.
Oh, I am not running into
I am just impressed.
Live feed hijacked. What?
What are you holding up? Oh, well, you won't know, but this is a wall of bricks. Pam, who wants to know?
I don't know.
Sandra Sterling wants to know what I'm holding up.
Turn it over. Let's see if it does it to the back of that too.
It is. So what this is, I'm going to open it. This is
A
my
pin.
pin holder
Magnet.
with pins in it.
Now look at that on the front of it. Oh, yep, it is.
Oh, look, but the pins show up. Do you see how that goes?
Yep, that's a magnet.
Oh, we're going to have to show more green things from now on. Wow.
That's the magic of my girlfriends.
What about when I had green hair? Do you think I'd have bricks in my
Maybe
hair?
you'd be bald. Anyway,
Okay, back to Kyle, sorry.
when you get the yo-yos, they come with two pieces. This fits inside here. But if you notice, on the outside, it has these, where am I at? These little knobbies.
So these
All
notches,
the way
just
around.
the several, not the
Yeah,
holes, but
no,
the
not
notches.
the holes. So, and then on this piece, can you see those little raised lines? There we go. Those raised lines, they match up with those knobs.
Do they really?
They do.
I have never made them yet.
Well, they need to because you're going to go in and out of those holes right there. And if you don't have them lined up, you won't be able to separate this.
That's probably why I haven't done it.
It's like brain surgery. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate.
Brains would be like this, rocks in my head.
One time I did something, I don't know what it was, but I said, oh my gosh, I'm as smart as bricks or rocks. Yeah, no. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start out, I better get to the right side first. You're going to start out, put your, that's so weird. Put your fabric in your,
I love it.
oh,
This is
catching.
distracting now,
Oh,
isn't
yeah,
it?
it is.
I'm
It
sorry.
is. Okay, you're going to put
She's
your
going to
fabric,
switch.
the right side down on this, okay?
And
So
that's important, or
yes.
your yo-yo will be inside out.
right.
Why
So
do
you
they
got to
call
put
them
it on there.
yo-yos?
Yo-yo, I don't know, looks like a yo-yo. Then you're going to put this part on here with your pieces matching up. So
Because you
you're-
can't see the holes when the fabric's in there.
Right.
Okay.
So that's why you've got to match those up. And it'll explain it on your instructions. So you've got a little bit of a lip. That's what you want. Don't cut it the exact size because it won't work out well. Okay. My thread is... Barb.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to start on the back of your yo-yo maker. I tied a knot. So we're going to start there and we're going to go into...
So you push it from the back
This
forward.
is hard. Oh,
Because
I'm
you
down
have-
too far. So I'm starting on that side.
And you're sewing those bricks together.
Mhm, and I'm sewing that so that...
Jan,
catches
I
there.
love you. Thank you. She
What?
says, I haven't laughed this hard in a while.
You need to watch us more, apparently. So then you're going to go back down on the other side of this little, looks like a crescent little thing right there. So you're going up and down in the same,
Not the same hole, but the same section or the same space.
yes, yes. So I came up in this one and I'm going to go down in that same one.
What kind of needle are you using to go through the bricks? Pamela, that was funny.
Oh, unbelievable. Okay.
Jeanette
so
wants to know how you're sewing through bricks, too.
I am magical. That's all there is to
Hey,
it.
Barbara Davis, the best show ever, the Barb and Kyle show.
Exactly. Okay, you're going to go
Kris
up.
left.
Yeah. Up and down through your here. Okay? If your thread gets caught, like I've caught right here,
On one of those bricks.
yeah, on one of the bricks, just smooth it out. Do you want your fabric flat on the back? So you're,
I'm just
wait,
watching you.
don't do.
No, I love your demos.
Okay,
I
then
love
go
it.
back down. Okay,
In the
so
same
I'm not
pulse.
going the whole way because that'll take too long. So when you're done and it's got all these gathered together or stitched, oh, I need to remember to take it off up front higher. So you take your top off of your
But now
yo-yo.
you're stitched to the green. You're not stitched to that either?
No, you're not stitched because you have lined up your line. Oh, let me get a different one because you can't see it
I
on
like
that.
the bricks.
I know. Because you have lined these lines up with your knobbers. If you don't get it lined up, it won't really go in anyway, but then you won't be able to get your back off. It won't make the yo-yo.
Oh,
So-
looky. Alan from the UK. Thank you. Good day. I can't do
not
it.
good. Okay.
No, that
and
was
then
Australia.
Then what you'll do is you will gather it.
Oh, she says it's hard to see through these things right
I
down
know
here.
it's really
I'm sorry.
awful. I'm sorry. I'm terrible about that. So what you've done is, do you see
I
our
love it.
do you see our gathering stitches at all right there? See the stitch right there? So you're going to go all the way around and then pull it, and it folds your fabric in so you don't have a raw edge. And then so it's kind of in a little ball. So it'll be something like that. And then you'll take it over to your iron. I was going to say, are you touching my head? You'll take it over to your iron and you'll press it so it's flat. Look
And-
at that.
So which is right? This way or this way?
You could do either one. This is the way that we've done them on all the others.
So you really want to see those gathering parts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You want them to gather. And look at how cool that is with all the different sizes. You can put them on top of each other. Kimberbell, a couple years ago, had a Christmas tree
Yes,
that they had
did.
done with all the
Yes,
yo-yos.
Yes.
So you can do anything with these yo-yos. Okay. Yeah, can't. Nice. Mine don't come out great. What are you doing, Barb?
I'm standing back here.
Oh, I'm like, what's going on? Did you use
I
single strand
don't
of
want
thread?
to run into that brick wall.
Sometimes I'll use a single, sometimes I'll use a double. Right then I used a single, but I knew it was good thread. If you don't have good thread, I'd use a double.
I think
Okay?
I would
Thank
be
you,
afraid
Joyce.
that I would
love you,
break
Joyce.
it.
Cute.
think my
These are
thread would
really, really fun. So that was our idea. So Barb, what
Hi.
is our deal of the day?
Do we have a deal?
We do. We do.
What could that be? The chocolate?
Yo-yos. Oh,
Yo-yo.
I don't want that green. That's making me crazy.
No, I really quite
There's
like
5 different sizes with the yo. That is not a yo-yo. Don't
know,
show
but
that.
it. Look how fun this is.
This
though.
is a yo-yo.
Kyle.
Yo-yos.
You're not
5
being,
different sizes of yo-yos that will be on our website.
You're not being fun.
I'm in a lot of fun, but I'm going to punch somebody. They will be on our website on the
You know
deal
what?
of the day today.
Let's wear green next week. Paint our faces
Good
green.
idea. Good idea.
There's
Bricks,
gotta be something
bricks.
I can't believe why are
I
they
want to
bricks?
buy the brick one.
I would like to know why it shows up brick.
Haven't you ever heard about the?
Yeah, I know the green screen.
I don't know why.
I get
brick.
the green
Maybe
screen.
that's what you've got programmed in your camera.
Because like I've been watching my boys film for many years. I know what they do.
Yeah.
But why
I have seen placemats. Oh yeah, with the yo-yos. Yes.
are the bricks included? Says Renee.
Well, if you have a green one, yeah, it is. I want a brick one. Are the bricks?
Hey Sandra, come on over.
You want to see something magical?
Oh, you want to see this? Oh.
What are you doing?
Look, we went to
Look.
to show the yo-yos.
Oh, those are so
Okay.
fun.
Yeah.
Look
Look
what
at
happened.
this.
Oh my goodness.
How does that happen?
Do you
I
know?
have no idea.
We don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my sons.
I think we're magical. That's all there
I mean,
is.
like, where did that brick
gosh, where's-
wall
yeah.
come from? I don't even know what it is.
She turned around and looked at it.
We did the same thing. Probably so. I have no idea.
This is Sandra. She works our Kimberbell team.
She does
Hi,
amazing.
everybody. It's so fun. These
So
guys
if-
are so fun to
The
work with.
the nutcracker things. I'm
Oh,
not
I
going to say
thought it-
what that is, but what event is that for?
It's for Sugar,
Sugar
Plum
Plum Fairy.
Jubilee.
Oh my gosh! If
That's
you
okay,
signed
I
up
do
for
the
that,
same thing.
It
So
is
she
darling.
has made these cute little things. If you've
We've already
joined that
received
event,
yours. Some of them
yeah.
have already got them.
She has made every
Dressing
one
up
of them.
no.
We sat there, watched her make all those. We didn't help her. We just sat and watched her make
Is
it.
extra for the bricks. Smarty pants.
It was so fun.
Cute
It
project
was
made
fun.
with yo-yos again. Oh,
Yeah.
she wants to
You
see.
bet. The
She wants
yo-yos are
to
fun
see
to
the
do.
cute projects. Hi, Sandra from Sherry. All right, she says hello. This is the cute one. She made it into a wall hanging. Lady that used to work here, and you could make that into a pillow. That's what I want to do. I think I got all the stuff to do it once. Never did it. Okay.
Yeah,
Here's-
my son watched the one of our programs once.
Oh,
I
doll.
begged him. I said, "Just watch once," and they kind of,
He
really,
thought
Mom?
we were wonderful, I'm sure.
And I said, "Do you know how many people watched us?" And they said, "Wow." So actually, my sons want to give me my own show.
Well, I have to be your filmer. This is the yo-yo flag. Really, really darling. And then where's my end of the bed?
Yo-yos are not on the deal yet.
They
So
haven't gotten them on there?
you know what?
Jenny
Our
said she
website
would.
went down a minute ago, and it was down for about a half hour, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. And
And
Jenny
so-
is working like
And
mad.
Jenny is really trying to get
Okay,
that put together.
so why isn't this showing bricks? Oh, what? It's trying.
Oh,
but
it is. Look at
it's
that.
not.
We just didn't know that's
Yeah.
what it was.
We didn't. This is my end of the bed, or on a dresser. Really,
I hope
really
that
fun.
we show something green tonight. Have we got anything else?
Now
Oh,
you're going to be
Hang on,
obsessed.
hang on.
She's obsessed.